Kali Yuga, Dharma, Nam Sankirtan, Krishnam Sankirtan. Kali Yuga Dharma. The Dharma for Kali Yuga is Krishnam Sankirtan. This was introduced 500 years ago to the world. And everyone is having their mind satisfied, pleased, and filled with spiritual desires by chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, this Manohar mantra. Mind stealing, mantra, mind. Mantra, man iti trayate. That mantra, man iti trayate, which steals, frees, liberates, elevates, purifies, and enlightens the mind. That is mantra, Maha mantra, the mind-stealing Manohar mantra, the Hare Krishna Maha mantra. So with this point, we'll close today's class. Everyone take up this Manohar mind-stealing mantra, be delivered from birth and death, be delivered from the pains and pinchings and of material cravings of lust and anger, become peaceful, pure, happy, and joyful forever, dancing in a Ras Lila, eternal loving service, and a celebration of love with Krishna and Gopis and all the Brijvasis.